The majestic gorilla, a closer look at nature's gentle giant. Gorillas, the largest living primates on Earth, are truly awe-inspiring creatures. These gentle giants belong to the family Hominidae and are genetically very similar to humans, sharing about 98% of our DNA. Native to the dense forests and jungles of Central and West Africa, gorillas are divided into two species, the eastern gorilla Gorilla bringai and the western goral, La gorilla, each with two subspecies. Physical characteristics. Gorillas are renowned for their immense size, with males, known as silverbacks, weighing up to 400 pounds, 180 kilograms, and standing at heights of around 5.6 feet, 1.7 meters when upright. Their bodies are covered in coarse black hair, which helps them adapt to the varying climates of their habitat. From humid rainforests to cooler mountain regions, their hands and feet are large and powerful, equipped with opposable thumbs and toes, making them adept climbers and foragers. Social structure. Gorillas are highly social animals and live in cohesive groups known as troops or families. The structure of a gorilla troop is hierarchical, with the dominant silverback at the helm. This silverback is typically the oldest and largest male. This silverback is typically the oldest and largest male in the group and is responsible for protecting the troop and resolving conflicts. Troops can vary in size but generally consist of multiple females, their offspring, and occasionally subordinate males. Communication. Communication among gorillas is primarily nonverbal and relies on a complex system of body language, vocalizations, and facial expressions. The iconic chest-beating display is a dramatic example of this communication, often used to assert dominance or intimidate rivals. Grunts, hoots, and barks are used to convey a range of emotions and intentions, from signaling contentment to warning of danger. Diet. Gorillas are primarily herbivores, with their diet consisting mainly of leaves, stems, fruit, and some insects. They are known as folivores due to their preference for foliage, which requires them to consume large quantities of vegetation daily to meet their nutritional needs. This diet is one of the reasons for their immense size, as it requires an efficient digestive system to process the fibrous plant material. Conservation. Gorillas are facing significant threats in the wild, primarily due to habitat loss and poaching. Deforestation, driven by logging and agriculture, continues to reduce their natural habitat, pushing gorillas into smaller and more isolated areas. Additionally, gorillas are hunted for their body parts, as well as for the illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts have been initiated to protect these magnificent animals, including the establishment of national parks and reserves, -1 poaching measures, and community-based conservation programs. Organizations such as the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund and the World Wildlife Fund WWF are actively involved in gorilla conservation, conducting research and advocacy to safeguard their future. The silverback's role. Silverbacks play a crucial role in the survival of their troop. They are not only responsible for protection, but also for decision-making regarding the troops, movements, and interactions with other groups. Their leadership ensures the stability and cohesiveness of the family unit, which is essential for the survival and well-being of all members. Tourism and gorilla trekking. Tourism has become a double-edged sword for gorilla conservation. On one hand, it provides much-needed funding for conservation efforts and raises awareness about the plight of these magnificent creatures. On the other hand, the increased human presence in their habitat can stress the gorillas and expose them to human diseases. strict regulations and guidelines are in place in many gorilla habitats to minimize these risks. In conclusion, gorillas are a captivating species that captivate us with their size, intelligence, and striking resemblance to humans. While they face numerous challenges in the wild, concerted efforts by conservation organizations, governments, and local communities are working towards securing a future where gorillas can continue to thrive in their natural habitats. These remarkable animals remind us of the importance of protecting biodiversity and the interconnectedness of all life on our planet. So guys, thank you for joining this video. See you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe us. Click the bell icon too. Have a good day.